Hello students, today I'll teach you few concepts of integers by which you can easily do your exercise 1.1 from class 7 NCERT book. Without wasting our time, let's get started. Here's my first concept, that is same sign. If we add two positive integers, then its answer is also positive. And on the other hand, if we add two negative integers, then its answer is also negative integers. Here I am drawing a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. I am taking two positive integers from this number line and adding them. 3 and 5. When we add two positive integers, 3 plus 5 is 8. Then its answer is also positive. And when we add two negative integers, I am taking minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 2, minus 4. Here the two integers, both are negative. You will add them and put a sign of negative. Because when you add two positive integers, its answer is positive. And when you add two negative integers, its answer is also a negative integer. You will add both of these integers, but you put a sign of negative, because when you add two negative integers, their answer is also negative integer. Okay, and now I am taking more than two integers like minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Here you can see every integer has a negative sign. It means these are negative integers, and you will add them and you put a negative sign in the answer, because when you add negative integer, answer is also negative integers. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Answer is minus 10. Okay. On the other hand, when we take three positive integers and you will add them, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Here is 11, that is positive, because when we are adding positive integers, the answer is also positive, and when we are adding negative integers, the answer is also a negative integer. Okay. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, plus 6, minus 5, plus 4, minus 5. Here you can see we have 5 negative integers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. We will club them together. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5 and minus 5. And here are two positive integers, that is 6 and 4. You will club these two positive integers together. 6 plus 4. Here these all are positive. Here these all are negative integers, and both of these are positive integers. So you will add them. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. But you put a negative sign before it, because these all integers, because these all number are a negative sign, negative integer. Here is two positive integers, 6 plus 4. One is 6, other one is 4. Then you will add them. When you add two positive integers, their answer is also positive. So you will put here 10. Now you can see one integer is negative and other one is positive. My next concept is based on the different sign that you can see in this example, that one integer is negative, the other one is positive. Okay? Now I am taking different signs. If here's a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. I am picking one negative integer from the number line and one positive integer from the number line. I am taking 4 from the number line and minus 1 from the number line. Okay? One is positive, one is negative. When one number is positive, other one is negative, then you will subtract them. And you will put a larger number sign in the answer. Like 4 minus 1 is 3. But you can see here 4 is a greater, 4 is a bigger, 4 is a powerful number. So you will carry the sign of a 4 in the answer. But we can see that 4 is positive. So answer is positive. Okay? You got it? Now I am taking one positive and one negative integer. Here is minus 5. Other one is plus 2. One is negative, other one is positive. Then you will subtract them. Again you will subtract them. But the powerful number, without taking the sign in consideration, you will consider that 5 is bigger than 2. So you will take the sign of bigger number. Here 5 is bigger, so answer is negative. Okay? Answer is negative. 5 minus 2 is 3. Always when we are adding one negative or one positive integer, you will carry the sign of the bigger number, the greater number. Okay? If we are not taking the signs in consideration, we will consider the absolute values of this number. Do you know what is the absolute value? I'll tell you. Absolute value. Do you know what is absolute value? A number here is negative. Okay? Absolute value means ignoring their sign. Means the absolute value. We always denote the absolute values by these straight lines. When a number is minus 5 and you are calculating the absolute value of this number, you will put 5. Without taking the sign, you will simply put 5. Okay? Here is other number is plus 5. We can see the number is 5. So ignoring that sign, you will put 5. Okay? In the same way, when you are adding different integers, when you are adding integers, you are adding integers having different signs, then you always put a bigger number sign in the answer. Here is minus 8 plus 4. You can see both the integers have a different sign. Then first of all, you get to know that you will subtract them. That 8 minus 4 is 4. But the bigger number, the absolute value of the bigger number is 8. It means this is bigger number. Okay. So bigger number has a negative sign. So you put negative sign in the answer. Okay. I think you got it. I'm taking few more examples. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 2. Here we have 3 integers. 2 are negative, 1 is positive. Okay. You can see minus 5 minus 2 has a negative sign. So you will club these two numbers, minus 5 and minus 2 plus 4. Minus 5 and minus 2 is minus 7. Okay. Because it based on it's based on our previous concept that if two integers having same sign and we add them, the answer is also a negative integer, also the same sign, also have the same sign. Okay, plus 4. Now you can see one is positive, one is negative, the other one is positive. Again, if two integers having different sign, then you will subtract them. Okay, you will subtract them means 7 minus 4 is 3, but the bigger number, you can see the bigger number is minus 7. The bigger number has a negative sign, so you put a negative sign before it. Okay, I hope it's all clear to you. I'm explaining that again. If two integers having same sign, like if two positive integers, if we have two positive integers and we are adding them, then the answer is also a positive integer. And if we have two negative integers and we are adding them, then answer is also a negative integer. Okay, in the second concept I taught you that if two integers having different signs, if two integers having different sign, then you will simply subtract them. And you will put a bigger number sign in the answer. You will carry that bigger number sign and put before the number that you got in your answer. Okay, I hope that's all clear to you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.